Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let's have some introduction to the breadboard. Okay, during the lab session, you will be introduced to the breadboard. Okay, so what you need to do is just go to the basic component and type breadboard. Okay, we have two sizes of breadboard. Okay, just click breadboard small. Right, so put on your layout. Okay, so name it as P1. So breadboard number 1. Alright. Okay, so you can increase the size. Just scroll down, just scroll up, or scroll down to increase or decrease the size. Okay, before that, the breadboard is the board that is used for a student inside the lab to connect the circuit, which is the breadboard. It can be reused. Okay, means the circuit is not permanent. Right. So let's say if you put your cursor here, okay, this is the negative sign and this one is positive sign. This is for the power supply. Okay, this line, this top two line is for the power supply, and the bottom two line is also for the power supply. The negative sign is for negative power supply, and positive sign is for positive power supply. Alright, so if you put your cursor here, you can see all this line is connected all together. Okay, means if you put wire or jumper here, you can have the other hole is also connected. Same goes to this one. So you might connect your component to this hole or any hole in this line. So because it's all connected together. Okay. So same for this one. This is the positive power supply. Okay. First of all, I would like to show you how to connect the circuit in series. Okay, for the basic one, we have a series and a parallel circuit. Okay, let's say this is your circuit. So I will redraw the circuit since it is quite, not easy to read. Okay, so this is the basic circuit. We have the power supply here, positive and negative. So we have resistor number 1. This is the sign of the resistor. This is the resistor number 2, and this is the resistor number 3. Let's say we have a 3 resistor circuit. Okay, we're tagging this one as R1, R2, and R3. Okay, so this is the series connection. Alright, so let's say R1 is 1 kilo ohm, R2 is 10 kilo ohm, R3 is 5 kilo ohm. Okay, so from the Padlet, you just select, okay, you type down here, resistor. Okay, so it come out this way. Okay, put it here so you can adjust the rotation of the resistor. Alright, so the resistance value is 1 kilo ohm for R1. Okay, you put it here. Okay, and next is you want the resistor with the value of 10 kilo ohm. So you just type down here is 10. So this one you can rename it as a R2. Okay, so you just put this outside first, because I would like to show in schematic what is the series connection. So next is 5 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, so type down here is R3, put it as 5. Okay, automatically the color will change. Right, so this one is R1, rename it as a R1. Okay, from the schematic, we go back to the Padlet. From the schematic, this is schematic. Okay, we need to make sure that all the legs of the resistor is connected together. Okay, okay, let's say this is the point for this is the point for resistor number 1. Okay, so this is the first leg of resistor number 1, this is the second leg of the resistor number 1. Okay, the next point is I change the color. So this is the first leg of resistor number 2, this is second leg of resistor number 2. Alright, so next is this is the first leg of resistor number 3, this is the second leg of resistor number 3. As you can see here, the dot, the red dot here is connected to the green dot here. Okay, so the green dot here is connected to the purple dot here. So the next purple dot is connected to the negative power supply. The first red dot is connected to the positive power supply. Okay, so go back to your Padlet. Okay, so what is your R1? R1 is 1 key. So this is the R1. So put it here. Okay, so make sure the first one is connected to the positive power supply. Okay, so this is the positive power supply. So you can change the color of the cable, change it to red because it is positive, so I put it as red. Okay, so next is this resistor. The second resistor must be connected to the resistor 1. Okay, resistor 2, resistor 1 must be connected to resistor 2. Okay, if you put your cursor here, you can see this line from F to J, from the line of F to J is connected. Okay, we have a copper bar down on the base of the breadboard, so it's all connected. All the hole is connected together. Also for A, B, C, and D, okay, it is connected this way. F, G, H, I, J is connected this way. Okay, if you put your cursor, you can see. Okay, it's all connected. Alright, so you can see this leg of the resistor 1 is connected to the first leg of resistor 2. Okay, so next is we have to make sure that the second leg of resistor 2 is connected to the first leg of resistor 3. So you can put it here. Okay, so you can see this is the connected together. So the second leg of resistor number 3 is connected to the negative power supply. So I change the cable to black. So this is a negative. So what is left now? So what is left now is the power supply. So from here we can type down the power supply. Alright. Okay. Okay, so you can search from the instrument. This is the power supply. So drag this down to here. Okay, as you can see, the power supply is we have a red dot and a black dot. Okay, so this red point is for the positive one. Okay, it's already being stated here. This is the negative and this is of course the positive. So you just name this as a power supply PS. Okay. So the voltage needed, let's say the voltage needed is 5, the current input also is as a 5. The voltage needed is 5 volt, the current is 5 milliamps. Okay, so just put it as a 5 and 5. Okay, what you need to do is to connect this positive to the here. So let's find out the best route as you can so that our circuit is beautiful. It's good. It can be as good as it is. Okay, so the negative one should be goes here, here, and here. Okay, so change to the black color. So as you can see here, all is connected down here. Negative is connected down here. So go back to your circuit, and this is all the complete circuit. Okay, thank you.